Lesson plan. Subject: Art. Chapter 1 Art. Textbook: UP Board. Class: 12th. Duration: 40 to 45 minutes. Learning objectives. Students will understand the importance and role of art in life. Students will develop an appreciation for art's ability to foster sensitivity, aesthetic sense, and cultural awareness. Students will learn about different forms of art and their impact on personal and social growth. Lesson plan steps. 1. Introduction, 5 minutes. Teacher's introductory dialogue. 1. What do you think is the importance of art in our lives? 2. What form of art do you enjoy the most? Encourage students to share their thoughts. Briefly introduce the topic, discussing various forms of art, music, dance, painting, drama. State the title and purpose of the lesson. 2. Reading and explanation, 20 minutes. A. Reading the lesson. Teacher reads the first part of the chapter aloud. Encourage students to take turns reading sections of the chapter. B. Explaining the lesson. Significance of art. 1. Art enriches human life with beauty and sensitivity. 2. It purifies the soul and provides mental peace. Purpose of art. 1. To develop cultural awareness in society. 2. To bring balance and discipline to individuals. Key idea. Art is not just a medium of entertainment but a foundation for societal and individual growth. C. Understanding difficult words. Explain challenging words such as 1. Sadhana, practice or dedication. 2. Adhyatmik, spiritual. 3. Sensitivity. 4. Aesthetic sense. Provide meanings and use them in sentences. 3. Discussion and Q&A session, 10 minutes. Questions for students. 1. What is the purpose of art? 2. How does art help connect society? 3. Which form of art do you think influences human life the most, and why? Encourage students to share their thoughts and experiences related to art. 4. Conclusion, 5 minutes. Recap. 1. Importance and role of art in life. 2. How art contributes to personal and societal development. Motivate students to adopt and practice at least one form of art in their lives. 5. Homework. 1. Write a 200-word essay on how art influences our lives. 2. Create a poster or chart about your favorite form of art. Teaching aids, charts, pictures of various art forms, dance, music, painting, etc. If possible, show a short video or images related to art. Additional tips. Encourage students to ask questions related to the lesson. Make the lesson engaging by sharing relevant stories and examples.